just drop something in the chat if that's okay for you guys. And in the meantime, while you said I'm interested in history, like nerdy history, and found about many topics about ancient Egypt in that channel, can we just search the video from the channel about ancient Egypt and create channel video based on that ancient Egypt video that already there? So are you? Yes, you can do that, but I wouldn't recommend you, like, maybe you can, I don't know, but I wouldn't recommend you to do a channel only based on Egypt. I would keep it a more broad. So what I just told you about, one example was weird things you didn't know about Cleopatra, for example, right? So yes, that's like something about Egypt, but that can be about any historical figure in history, which keeps your audience way broader. If you just choose Egypt, it's only like a specific target audience that is into Egypt, which maybe is a very big audience, but you know, it could be way bigger. So I wouldn't just like settle on one specific civilization only, I think. But who am I, right? There's probably some channels that are just focused on Egypt and that are doing very well too.